what's up? So I'm at my house, and that is FGTV. And if you are FGTV that are watching this, I love your videos. And so this is my home. This is where my mom is. Say hi.
Hi.
So I'm not sure if you could see her, but anyways, today I have to think. I don't know. Well, so I will get the papers right now, right? Here I go.
Plug it in, okay?
Alright, I have to. I'll just use the back of this. It's not right there. Oh.
Yeah, you gotta keep it plugged in. It's almost dead.
Why in here?
Because I'm gonna be getting ready out there, and I don't want to interrupt your video. You know?
Right.
Yeah, I'll close
Right.
it so everything doesn't bug you too.
I have to leave it right here, but I'll go and get my pencil. My pen. I just have a pen, but I will draw the puppy right now. But now I'll just write in my journal. I'll just write in this journal thing. Alright, so, where should I put this? I'll put you, let's say, right here. Can you guys see? Right. So. Right, so. I am going to get my first page ready for us. So, first, we're going to write Cutest dog ever. Right. You can see I wrote cutest dog ever. I'm not sure if you can read it, but it says cutest dog ever. Now I'm going to draw first a circle head. You can see a circle head first. Then ears like that. Then I'm going to be drawing wide eyes. Like this. Then I'm going to draw pupils for the dog to see. And this is going to be black and white because it's all pen. And also I don't know where very many colors are, but it's still fine because it's still so cute. My friend cannot believe it. See, like this. Then a nose like this. Make sure it's very teeny tiny so it can look so adorable. Now some freckles. Like this. Now some whiskers. Like this. Kind of looks like an evil hand from Coraline. Now we're going to draw a little circle around one eye. Then we're going to color that in black. Right, so you can see I colored it in black. Took a while. Now I'm going to draw, you can rather do this ear or that ear, right? I'm going to do
What was it sounding like? Like a bug?
Yeah, go check
Okay,
it.
well let me get some things so I have it. Like what kind of a bug? Was it like a buzzing or what?
It was buzzing.
It was buzzing?
Yeah, and it did not look like a fly. It had a little thing right there.
A little what?
Straight thing.
Okay. I don't. Where am I looking?
It's in there.
Is it big or little?
I could see it.
You what?
I could see it and it's big.
Okay, I see, maybe it's a is it here? Is this it? No, I know, like, stand over there and tell me if this is it. Because I see like a fly, maybe, but that?
Yes.
Oh, it's just a fly.
That really scared me.
Yeah, it's cool.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I don't think I see anything else, so it must have been that.
Let's continue doing my tutorial after drawing the cutest dog ever. Sorry about that, I just got a little bit scared. I think I'm wasting time on that. But now I'm going to fill it in. Like that. And you can add a bow if you want, but I'm not. Now we're going to draw some dots. I'm actually going to do the bow later. So there we go.